Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to get UTR number online. So a UTR, or unique taxpayer reference, is a 10-digit number you need for filling self-assessment with HMRC, and here's how to get it. Alright guys, so you will need to firstly go to the gov.uk official website, and in here you need a specific section of the website. I will show you where. So you scroll a bit down until you find money and tax. Click on that. Now you're looking for self-assessment. Click. And self-assessment tax returns. Also you can click on this, find your UTR number. This is exactly what we need. So now let's continue. So guys, to continue, you will need a government gateway account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create it by providing your name, email, date of birth, and national insurance number. Once logged in, you can complete a self-assessment registration form. You'll be asked for personal details, your work type, and the date you started trading. But in general, this is what the HM Revenue and Customs reference document will look like. As you can see, this is our field with the UTR number. So if I close this, there's a small tutorial in here that you can check out, and I will also tell you the steps. So after you submit the form, HMRC will process your application and send your UTR number by post to your registered address, and this usually takes about 10 working days in the UK, or up to 21 days if you're abroad. I will also tell you which documents you need for this to get this number. So firstly, national insurance number, government gateway login, already discussed, personal details, so it's going to be full name, date of birth, and current UK address. Employment details, whether you're self-employed, a landlord, or need self-assessment for another reason. Business start dates, the date you began trading or earning income that requires self-assessment, and contact information, it's a phone number or email. So these are the documents. And this way you easily get your number. Guys, if this helped, don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful and insightful, and of course subscribe. See you soon.